can we make something adorable and easy that can up your chances of your social media getting found and your listings on Etsy selling? We can with a simple video. Now, don't run away. This is a simple video for people who only want to take pictures. And why I'm saying it can up your social media game, lots of places like Facebook and Instagram report that there's far more interactions on a video than there is on a static image. But I know many of you Etsy people don't want to make videos, and you're going to look and go, Pam, you already showed us the Magic Studio on Canva. This is not. I want to show you how to make an absolutely simple stop motion animation on Canva that can be like really adorable, and you don't have to do anything different because you're already taking pictures of your item. So a lot of people have asked, like, oh, do they need to get like a turntable to take videos and stuff? And you can do, but relatively easy stop motion animations that look a little bit janky on purpose can be a whole heap of fun. Let me show you what I mean. Oh, and before I start, I do just want to say you guys were so nice to me over my Magic Studio video on Canva, and we're really up with that I actually managed to become a Canvassador, Canva ambassador, however you're supposed to say it, which means there will be a link below if you want to trial a pro Canva for a month. That doesn't cost you anything extra. And if you then decide you love pro and decided to go ahead and use it, then I do get a little bit of money for that, but it doesn't cost you anything. But you can, in your trial on the Canva Pro, you can get a whole lot done. But let me show you this. So I just went to video. Now I'm going with a standard YouTube HD size, but you can go if you want to make square videos, portrait videos, anything you want. Now, what we are going to want to do is to upload some images. I've already done this, but all you do is hit upload files and you can upload your files from your computer. You can see here's some stuff I'm working on. So you can see what I've done with these pictures at the side with this little it's a Kelpie. I'll explain what I've done in a different point, but all I've done is set her up as I usually would and taken a picture, moved her slightly, taken a picture, moved her slightly. Now, if you don't have to be amazing at photography to do this, if you do know how to fix your focus and your aperture, that can be a little bit better, but you don't need to. Just taking photographs will do. And as you can see, I haven't even edited these or anything. So these are a load of the pictures that I've taken, but I want to do this little fella. Yeah, that's the one I want. So I'm going to show you real time. There might be easier ways to do this, but this is how I have found out. So we're going to just start, click and drop a picture. Now this is a video, but it's really cool that each picture comes down as a separate scene in the video. So we're just trying to get them into order because things can muddle up a little bit. So just drop one at a time all the way down. And you drop them into your timeline like so. As you can see, this is not edited. These photos don't look the most amazing in the entire world. I do have, come on, there we go. I do actually have the entire Adobe suite. I could do this professionally in Lightroom, but this is actually pretty quick, pretty good, and for the length of your video, yeah, you can do videos for free on Canva, so yeah, you should be able to do this for free even, so extra cool. Yeah, so just taking these pictures, and you're going to say, but Pam, this isn't the stop motion, but just wait, it is going to be, and hopefully I've put them all in the right order. We'll see if I haven't, but I'm just clicking and dragging them one after the other. You can probably do it all in one go, but I don't know, when I tried it, I seemed to mess up the order, so I just find it. In fact, yeah, he's before him, so we'll drop him in there. You can move the timeline with this little thing here. Where did we get to? He's It's nearly gone. I think this one would be next. If I get it wrong, I can rearrange them. This one would be next. And then the last one, he's gone. So all I did, as you can hopefully see, was I took my little dog, my little Highland cow, and I just moved him a tiny bit. That's very up and down. I just moved him a tiny bit and kept taking pictures. So if I try and play this, you've got 5 seconds. That is incredibly boring. But you can, is it here? It's not here. Here. Yeah, timing. So you hit timing. I don't want 5 seconds. I can make it 0.1 of a second. And this is nice and quick. Apply to all pages. So every single one of my pictures is now a 0.1 second frame. Let's have a look at that. And there he goes. I think I've messed up the order of a couple. Little Jenky in the middle. Let's see if we can find out what happened there. So he's there, he's there, he's there. Yep, they're in the wrong order, so you can just change them over. So it's easy to see that I'd messed up something and I can just fix it as easy as anything. And that already, oh, there's something on at the end as well, isn't there? That looks okay. I'm maybe just hallucinating somewhat. Okay, anyway, so we've got all of that. Now, it's dark, it looks horrible, but there's a quick thing I'm going to show you here that a great little cheat. So all you have to do is hit share, download. I'm going to just go 1080p. If you have a pro account, you can resize it up to 4K, but we're just doing a thing for social media and Facebook. You don't need massive. And hit download. Now this is what I call a bounce, which takes your video and saves it to your computer, and then you can upload it again into Canva. Now I have already done that, so we'll just pretend I've done that. I don't want to do it all over again. And then we go back into Canva, play with video, just like what we already did, hit uploads, and when you go into, well, you upload your file from here. You hit uploads, you can upload what you've just downloaded. It'll be in your download folder. Hit on videos, and here's the bounce that I just created. If you want to resize it to your screen, just set video as background, and there we go. So now we have him scooting across the page. Cute, but I need to edit that. Now, I could have gone in and edited every single photograph one at a time, and that would have taken me forever. But you can edit it once it's a video. So you've got effects, but there. We just go into the adjustment beta, and this gives you sliders. Now, I'm not the best at this, but it was looking a little yellow. I'll take it to the blue side. It's definitely too dark. Let's brighten it up. Give it some contrast so we don't lose him. See, it's still looking a little yellow. There we go. Cool it down. And you just play around until you are happy. Up the highlights. Yee. I'm not very good at this, but you'll get enough. You can darken or lighten the shadows. I just want them quite nice and bright. And when you brighten him, that can wash him out, as you can see. So brighten a bit. Add a bit of contrast until you're kind of happy, and then play it and see what it looks like. Come on. Is Canva glitching? Possibly. No, there. Okay, it's a little washed out. I don't know why it's running glitchy because I'm playing around with things just now. And what you can do if that's the case, just hit edit video again, and that'll take you out. But everything you've done is saved. So we just go. Why do these things never work perfectly when I'm live? Unless I did something to this, but anyway. So you can come back. And another really cool thing. Now, this is a pro thing, and it doesn't necessarily work really well with needle felting. But if you have a solid item, if you had a handbag or something, and you can see, okay, my background's a little bit you can see the background. Maybe you want rid of that. They have this background remover. You just click this. Now, it's not perfect. It's done something wonky to the eye, but it's cut out every frame from the video. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I'm going to just go back and do this. Something happened there. I don't know why. It could be my computer, who knows, but we can just do this. Doesn't matter. Go to videos again, pick him up, set him as the background. Yeah, that's working fine now. So we want to edit the video. Maybe I hit something I didn't notice. Adjust it. I knew I wanted to take the warmth down a bit. I want to brighten, and I want to contrast. Not perfect, but hey, it'll do. How does that look? It's not bad. I could possibly even, let's saturate the color. That's, yay, there we go. That's good. Or I think that's good. Go back to the FX and let's see. I probably won't like the background remover, but let's let it. Yeah, it definitely does a janky thing to the eye, but it's not bad actually for a needle felted thing. That's kind of cute. I won't be keeping that, so you can just undo it. But, and if you want to adjust some more. But anyway, you have really quickly got a little video, and just getting that much is free, super easy. I just did a few photographs. I hope that kind of makes sense. Super easy. You can do it on any editing software, probably. Dump in a load of pictures, speed it up, save it, bring it back as a video, edit the color to what you want. But yeah, I think if you have something with nice hard edges and things, the background remover is not perfect for needle felting things, but trust me, I know. I struggle with that. And then again, you just share it again, download in whatever quality. MP4, there's other options, but we want MP4 because we want a video. And that is literally all there is to it. Yeah, I hope you like that. I am definitely going to be making a few of those to go onto my Etsy listings. I might make them in square. I think that'll work a little bit better. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope that helps.